Three money beliefs na hindi mo namamalaya nagpapahirap sa'yo. Number one, mahirap kumita ng pera. According kay Henry Ford, whether you think you can or you cannot, you are right. So kung sa tingin mong mahirap kumita ng pera, always remember, what you focus on expands. However, if you change your mindset, mabilis kumita ng pera, you will notice, dahan-dahan lumalapit yung opportunity sa'yo. Number two, hindi ako magaling sa pera. If your mindset is hindi ka magaling sa pera, your reality will be, hindi ka talaga marunong mag-handle ng pera. So if you shift that mindset na, I am a great money manager, you will become a great money manager. Number three, money is the root of all evil. If that is your mindset, every time you have money, you will feel guilty. You will feel you don't deserve it because this is evil. Instead, you shift your mindset na this is a blessing from God. I deserve this kasi pinaghirapan ko to, pinagtrabahuan ko to. So, itong money na to, I deserve this. And if you will think that way, your money will grow and you will bless a lot of people.